Hello everyone, my name is Christine and I am going to be testing out some of the new features that are coming out from Gemini. So apparently they have added the ability to run your code, so something called Canvas, which is similar to what OpenAI has, and it's similar to what also Claude has in terms of artifacts. So I'm just going to be trying it out for the first time. So let's see what we can do. So here's Google Gemini. You can go to gemini.google.com/app. And I am going to do, I think this is under the Flash. I don't know what it is. Okay, anyway, so I'm here. I'm going to be probably selecting Gemini Canvas, and I'm going to ask it a question. Implement a Sudoku app that includes optional login so users can save their scores. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what happens. This is the first time I'm trying it out. Pretty quick. Welcome to your personal assistant. Thank you. So it didn't take too long at all, and it just created this code. And so optional login functionality, looking good, like super fast. This is ridiculous. I've tried it with other ones and it can take quite a long time. So it's got state management, focus cell. It's showing me the preview, some helper functions, some components in here. It's got some game logic. All right, so my preview is blank. Hopefully I'll get something soon. Here's the UI animations. All right, so we've got the code, we've got the preview. How am I gonna actually get this to run? Show console. That's pretty sweet. What is this console? Script error. Preview loaded successfully, but there's a script error. So we've got the code, we've got the console. I mean, it kind of looks good, but I didn't get the whole code. It kind of just stopped. Let's see. Could you complete the function? It didn't. I can't see a preview. Let's see what happens there. Just a sec. Okay, updated to, and should render correctly. Let's see it do its thing. Hopefully this time it actually completes and runs the code. And yeah, it still gives me a script error. And it doesn't seem like it has everything that I need. And the preview is still blank. I can't see the full functionality. Could you go back and start from the beginning? Well, this is interesting. It's basically thinking, and this is a lot more work than I expected it to. Maybe I should have just asked it for a simple HTML, CSS. I think the fact that I asked it for a login may have actually tripped it off. So I would say that the first experiment, it looks nice. Maybe I'll just make it simple. Let's go start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning and just create a simple Sudoku app with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right. Let's see if we get like a better example, something that actually runs, and I can see what this preview looks like, because I really do want to check out what the preview looks like. Ew, that looks a little weird. So I would say that in this simple experiment, even though the UI looks pretty good, I wasn't able to actually get a working Sudoku app. Whether this probably works. I'm not gonna give it, but just the UI just doesn't look really that nice. I'll just give it one more shot. Could you make the UI look prettier? All right, pretty Sudoku app. Let's see what it gets out of this. The back and forth, it seems pretty solid and it's pretty quick. It's just that it's not really giving me what I want. And when I tried the web app, it did actually spit out code, but it just did not actually run. So I would say that this is okay, not kind of what I would like. And when I actually have asked other things like Claude, they actually gave me much better UI. So good, but just okay.